Hi guys, welcome to our next activity in our lab, and it's in page 25 in your laboratory manual. Okay, but the title is Mixing Elements. This activity is based on our Unit 2 topic, which is matter, and we are going to recognize the properties of mixtures and compounds. You're going to distinguish between a mixture and a compound. Okay? So by doing this, you need a bar magnet. We have a bar magnet here. I will supply it for you guys. And a crucible. This one. Bunsen burner. Instead of using Bunsen burner, we're going to use this one. Okay? And a tripod. And petri dish. Okay, we have a petri dish here, and spatula, and the wire gauze, and a tripod. Okay, sorry. Now, in your procedure, you're going to observe and record the color of the iron filings and the sulfur powder. Now, which one is the sulfur powder? Of course, this one is the sulfur powder, the yellow one. And this one is the iron filings. So please indicate in your lab manual the appearance of the iron filings and the appearance of the sulfur powder. Okay? It's here. But this one is black and white. This one is colored. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to put one spatula full of sulfur powder into a petri dish, which I already did. Okay? So just maybe one, and then followed by two spatula fulls of iron filings in, you mix it here. Okay? So maybe two. I'll just mix it together already. Okay? But I want you to do two spatula full. I will only provide one of this. Okay. So two of this. One. And two. Okay. Should be full, but this one I didn't make it full. Okay. So observe and record the color of the mixture. So you're going to mix this one using a stirring rod. I don't have a stirring rod, but you can just use the spatula, okay, to mix this. Now, okay? And I want you to observe the color. What happened to the color? Is it still yellow, or black, or orange, or pink? So observe what happened when you mix these two, the iron and the sulfur, these two elements. What happened? What's the color? Okay? And you're going to find out what's the effect of the magnet when you put this one here, which I'm not going to show you, of course. Okay? When you put the magnet near to it, find out what's the effect. Okay? And after that, state one property of mixture. Now, that's the first part of the activity. Now, when you go to the next page, here, the next page, you are going to half fill a crucible with the mixture, heat the mixture over the Bunsen flame. Instead of using Bunsen flame, we're going to use the alcohol lamp. We call this one as alcohol lamp. Okay? So, using a lighter. Be careful. When doing this, I want you to wear a mask, especially the person who did this, who is going to do this in the group, okay? So last time, you know what happened? What we did last time? It turned out that smoke caused us to cough. So the rest of the class went outside. So before doing this, you have to put the mixture of iron filings. Let me put it at the back. Oh, be careful, guys, okay? Since this is hot. So here in the crucible, you put a mixture of sulfur and um, now instead of using this one, I want you to use the one that you mix already. Okay, I'll put it back, which is not actually right. So remember this one, this mixture. Put that in the crucible, and then you put it here, heat it in a few minutes, and observe what will happen. Now, make sure you use your mask. Yeah. Let's see what's happening. Oh, wait, my camera isn't working yet. Okay, go closer. Let's go closer. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening, guys. Okay. Now there's a discoloration. There's a discoloration now. Okay. Once everything is discolored, there's no more yellow and everything is black. I want you to turn off. Okay. It smells bad. Just by putting this one here. Magic. Okay? I'm choking. Okay, guys, and you have to hold this. This is a bit hot. Still burning inside. See? There's a chemical reaction. Is there a chemical reaction? If there's a smoke, is there a chemical reaction? There's a fire. Okay? Wait until the fire is gone. Okay? Oh. Now guys, allow the mixture to cool. I don't know if it's that mixture, but you heat it already. And pour the product into another petri dish, this one. But you don't have to, guys, okay? You don't have to pour it out in a petri dish. I just want you to directly observe and record the color of the product, okay? When you mix iron, filings, and sulfur and heat it, I want you to observe and record the color of the product. And put a bar magnet near the product. Observe and state whether the product is attracted to the bar magnet. Okay? And see what's the color of the mixture and the effect of the magnet. And I want you to answer the questions in your book. I'm dying, guys. See you in the lab.